Hello guys, this is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com. In this tutorial, we will start working on our Lightning app. So we are going to create a custom Lightning app, and the name of the application, we will call it as Technology Center Development. So this is the app. This particular app will be used to track the building progress of our technology center. So let's say we are building IT companies around the city, around the Texas area, let's say. And through this app, we will keep track of what is the progress of those technology centers. Are they already built? How many construction workers? What kind of employees we will need? Do we need any electrician, plumber, etc.? And then we will set up those technology center with equipments like computer or desktop, projector, screen, table, chair, coffee machines, etc. So this is what this app will be used for. So we are going to create a Lightning app, Technology Center Development app, and this particular app will track the progress of the building center, of the technology center. So now, what kind of objects you think will be important for our Lightning app? These are the 3 different objects that we will create for our Lightning app. So the name of the app would be called as Technology Center Development. So this is going to be the name of our Lightning app. Now inside of this app, we will create some custom objects. So we are going to create 3 different objects. So number 1, this is number 2, the resource, and the third one we have is the equipments. So what is technology center? So technology center object will tell you about the technology center. Means it will tell you the name for the technology center, what is the address, the technology center is up and running with all the equipments, what is the phone number for the technology center, what is the project status, means is it in, are we building the technology center, how the project looks like, is it in red status, green status, yellow status, what is the status of the project, how many people do we need to construct our technology center. So this is going to be the first custom object that we will create. That is one object. Now, what about the type of employees that we will need for our technology center? So we will create another object called resource, and this will keep track of how many construction workers we need, how many plumbers we need, how many electricians we need, how many interior decorators we need, how many structural engineers we need. So that is what will be the purpose of the resource object. So we will have an object which will have information about the technology center. The second object will be the resource, which will tell us about what kind of resources we need. I'm not talking about IT employees here. I'm talking because we're building the technology center. The technology center is not yet up and running. We are building it. So in order to build a technology center, in order to have it up and running, we need different kinds of people. Just like the people we need to build a home, similar kind of people we need to build a technology center. Like we will need construction worker, we will need a builder, we will need electrician, we will need a plumber, we will need a carpenter, we will need different types of employees, right? So that is what this resource will be used for. So this resource will have information about the type of employees that we will need to build our technology center. Now, the third thing is, in order to build the technology center, we need different kinds of tools, equipments, right? So the third object that we are going to create will be the equipment. So what kind of equipments do you think we will need? So let's say if we're in the process of building the technology center, we will need doors, right? We will need the windows. Then we will need the door handles, stuff like that, right? Door handles. Then we will need the tools, like handyman tools, etc. We will need wood, concrete, in order to build it, bricks, etc. Right? So these are the different kinds of equipments, or you can add your own customizations here. So now, once we have the equipments up and running, then let's say once the technology center is up and running, we will need additional stuff, like we will need tables and chair. We will need projector screen, computers, laptop, etc. Right? So the coffee machines. So these are the other different types of equipments that we will need. So these are the 3 different objects that we will create for our Lightning app. So the Lightning app is called the Technology Center Development. That is the name of the app. And in order to build the app, we will create 3 custom objects. Now, once we are progressing through this app, once we are in the process of building the app, we will learn about the different Lightning UI features. We will learn about how to navigate through the Lightning UI, how to create objects, how to add fields, how to create relationships, how to import data. So all those things we are going to learn while we are making. So I'm not just going to tell you how to do stuff. We are going to build something solid at the end of the course. We will have a Lightning app up and running in our mobile and our desktop. So now let's go ahead and start working on our Lightning app. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.